Hey guys, just wanted to make a quick video and just show you about these battery chargers I just received from Kastar. So here's a charger in here, and you can use it in the cigarette lighter or you can plug it in the wall, and also has an adapter for European. It comes with two batteries in this specific kit here, and it's NP-F570. These are for Sony cameras, and I just want to show you what they look like. I love this company. I've been using this product for years, and I just want to show you the quality. They all come in a bag, all come wrapped in a bag, and they're all high quality. This is a nice high quality, high quality for Sony NP-F550/570. As you can see, the quality. This is exactly what you need. I mean, it is actually well built. Actually, pretty heavy. I was actually pretty impressed when I got it. The build of it was nice. The quality of it. It's 7.4 volts, 2,900 milliamps. So quite a lot of power in this little battery, believe it or not. So it really works well. And I just want to show you the charger, how they come real quick. This is the actual charger itself. And this is typical how they come. And I've had no issues with these at all with this brand. Kastar, I've been using their stuff for quite a long time. Here is the flip out here to plug it into the wall, as you can see. Really easy to use. Close it up. Batteries slide right in. Okay. Whatever you pick for batteries. And they have a ton of different options available. And it does work. Takes several hours to charge it. It's not a fast charger at all, but it is a good charger. It works well. And here are the two adapters that come with it. Cigarette lighter adapter and European connector. That's all works. Fantastic. Absolutely love this product and highly recommend it.